Good Monday morning, South Carolina weather watchers. I'm the host for South Carolina Weather, Joseph Peterson. Let's go on ahead and talk about the weather for Monday. So, looking down at South Carolina right now, obviously, no precipitation is flowing, even though it could be cloudy where you are right now. So, I'm not going to say that it's clear, but we are pretty good for when it comes to precipitation. We do have some rain over here inside North Carolina. The entire East Coast in general looks pretty dry, except for Florida down there where they have some rain. Up here inside of the northern Midwest, we do have rain, snow, and freezing rain all throughout this entire area right here for Iowa, Wisconsin, and Minnesota. We also do have snow that goes from Colorado all the way up to Minnesota, and then up this way from Utah all the way down all the way up to Canada. And then the Pacific Northwest coast has rain and snow on it as well. And I think, other than that, we do have some showers developing down here inside the south central U.S. for Texas, Louisiana, and Arkansas. But that is that. Let's go ahead and talk about cloud cover. Cloud cover right now is looking to be very cloudy out there, especially if you're under one of those huge clouds. There are some areas that are clear right now, but of course not all of them is clear. Most of everybody inside South Carolina is cloudy right now, but it really just matters where you are and where your place. Like Florence may be clear right now. Myrtle Beach may be maybe like mostly cloudy right now. Just west of Columbia could be clear. East of Augusta could be clear. Southeast of the Greenville-Spartanburg region could be clear. So it just determines on matters where you are. And this is what the cloud cover looks like. Let's go ahead and talk about current temperatures. Current temperatures is 62 inside Columbia, 62 inside Charleston, 59 in Orangeburg, 64 in Moncks Corner, 66 in Georgetown, 62 in Kingstree, 64 in Myrtle Beach, 62 in Loris, 62 in Florence, 64 in Bishopsville, 61 in Rock Hill, 59 in Greenville, and 62 in Augusta. And now here is our maximum temperatures. Maximum temperatures can reach around 74 inside Columbia, Sumter, and Florence, 68 inside of Myrtle Beach, 68 inside of Charleston, 75 in Augusta, 75. And then 70 up there inside of the Greenville-Spartanburg region. So a very, very warm day today, for sure. You will not need any type of jacket, any type of umbrella, anything like that. Everyone should be pretty fine. It'll be pretty nice, maybe. Of course, those clouds will still be inside the sky, but that's pretty much all it was gonna do. Max wind gusts, we could possibly get a 10 to 15 mile per hour wind gust, but nothing really is expected with that. And then with precipitation, obviously no precipitation is expected for the next 24 hours. We may actually have a little shower right there off the coast of Charleston, but I'm not really expecting much from that. Really, as much. Here's our day one severe weather outlook. We do have a day one marginal risk of severe weather for Chicago, Houston, Dallas, Austin, Fort Worth. San Antonio was in it yesterday, but it's now out of it. So Chicago, Peoria, Springfield, Hannibal, Jefferson, St. Louis, Missouri. Little Rock, Shreveport, Alexandria, Baton Rouge, New Orleans, Waco, Dallas, Austin, Houston, Fort Worth. All of those places are inside of this marginal risk of severe weather. That does come with a 2% chance of tornadoes, a 5% chance of damaging winds, and a 5% chance of damaging hail. And that is pretty much the day one for today. And we don't only have to watch out for severe weather, but we have to watch out for excessive rainfall as well. We do have a 15% chance of excessive rainfall for mainly the New Orleans and Baton Rouge region. So if you know anybody inside the New Orleans, Baton Rouge region, please let them know that there are 15% chance of flash flooding. That's a slight risk. That's not just no marginal risk. It's not like your almost everyday marginal risk. It's a slight risk. So a lot of rain will fall. And we do have that 5% surrounding it going through eastern Texas, all of Louisiana, and southern Mississippi as well. And that's going to about wrap this up. So thank y'all so much for watching the forecast this morning, and I will see y'all later tonight with another forecast update.